Hi everyone, welcome back to K-Food Recipe Hunters channel. Bulgogi literally means fire meat. It's not just food, it's a taste of Korean hospitality. Today I'll show you the classic recipe of the bulgogi. About 300 g of thinly sliced beef, sliced onion, some green onion or scallions, grated onion or blended onion, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, ground black pepper. For that authentic Korean kick, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Step 1. In a large bowl, mix all the marinade ingredients including onion puree, soy sauce, sugar, minced garlic, ground black pepper and sesame oil. Add the thinly sliced beef and mix it well with your hands. Rest for at least 30 minutes to allow the marinade to soak in well. Heat a skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat and add the marinated beef. Toss in your sliced onions, scallions or green onion and stir-fry them for about a minute. You can turn leftovers into a completely new meal. Try making Bulgogi Deopbap, which is a savory bulgogi rice bowl, perfect for a quick lunch. Another popular variant is Daeji Bulgogi, where you substitute beef with pork, often adding gochujang for a spicy kick. The best way to eat bulgogi is in a Ssam, which means a wrap. Place a piece of cooked bulgogi on a fresh lettuce leaf or perilla leaf. Add a dab of ssamjang and maybe a bit of rice too. Don't cut it, go for the whole thing. 1 bite please. Cutting Ssam like a taco? Oh no, that's a surefire way to trigger Korean. What's your favorite Korean dish? Share it with me and I might turn it into my next video. See you next time. Bye.